Okay, right now I'm sauteing my veggies here. I can't eat raw vegetables, okay? It messes with my stomach. So what I'm going to do is I'm sauteing these so they won't be, I'm not going to cook them all the way, okay? That I'm not going to do. That everything is heated. This smells so good. I wish that you can see this. Hope you'll be able to see inside my bowl here. Hold up just a moment. Okay, I think that helps you get inside the bowl, okay? Okay, because I would like to make sure that you're in my bowl, okay? Let me bring you, I know you're kind of too close. Let me bring this, okay? Okay, I think you're good. Okay, and what I'm about to do is I'm about to, okay? Try not to use, let me get my bigger spoon, okay? It'll make this right here, okay? Let me get that here. Hope you can see in there pretty good. Let me bring this like this. Okay. I'll be right with y'all in a minute. I should have already had this right here prepared and stuff, but I didn't. So y'all forgive me for that. I'm going to mix that in there. Okay. 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 I'm going to add my chicken and my tomatoes I'm going to put in there. Chicken and tomatoes. Okay. Okay, and I'm going to just toss this in here like this. Okay. Toss it in there just like this. Okay. Be good. That's rice vinegar. See if you can see rice vinegar. Okay, hold on just a moment. I'm going to add a little bit of sugar for the tartness. I didn't add no mustard to this right here, okay? Okay, 1 tablespoon of sugar. That's all you need because you don't want it to be sweet. You can use a sugar substitute too for this if you like. Okay. Let me check my eggs. Okay, it's been boiling pretty good. We're going to cut that off. Okay, hold up just y'all. Be right back. Be right back. Okay. And then what we do after I finish this, I sit it in the refrigerator about 30 to 45 minutes. I sit it in the refrigerator because it will be eaten cold, not hot, but not warm, but cold. Y'all, just a moment. Hold up. Okay. Okay. I would have had all this already ready, but cookbook. You don't have to add these many eggs if you don't want to. Also, what I do is after it sits in the refrigerator 30 to 45 minutes, what I do is before I take it out, I cook some bacon. I make sure the bacon is real hard, crumble it up in here. That's also what I do, okay? So you would want it, it makes it taste so good, y'all. It makes it taste real good. You're going to love it. Guarantee you're going to love it. This right here is an egg salad, okay? This is an egg salad, okay? I just cannot eat raw veggies, okay? If I ate raw veggies, then I wouldn't have sauteed them a little bit, okay? As you can see, I didn't saute them all the way, but just to bring them down some so it won't upset my stomach or hurt my stomach when I eat it. Okay, right now we're gonna stir this up. And this will go in the refrigerator, that it will. Okay, let me add my cilantros to this right here. Add a little cilantros to this. Hold up just a minute, y'all. Where did it go? Let me see. I'm only going to add a certain amount. You could add mustard to this if you like, but I'm not adding it to this particular one, okay? Okay, just want to add about that amount. That's about it. You can add salt or pepper to this if you like. Okay, you can add whatever you want to it. Okay, you can add to that. And I'm gonna spread this out in here. Okay, I'm gonna spread it out and cover it. Y'all, this is so good. This is so good. This is so good. It ain't funny. It's so good. My last step is to crumble some crackers on top of it, okay? I'm gonna crumble some crackers on top, okay? Then, like I said, before I take it out the refrigerator, I'm gonna make some bacon, okay? And I'm gonna let it get nice and brown and crispy, real crispy. Then I'm gonna crumble it up and put it over there, okay? I'll let you see what that looks like right now, okay? Right now I'm gonna crumble let me crumble just a moment. I'm gonna crumble some crackers over it, but I gotta open it first. It's gonna give you a nice little crunch, okay? The crackers is gonna give you a nice little crunch. Now, you don't have to have the crackers if you don't want, okay? The crackers do not have to be on there. That's an option, okay? That's something that I'm doing. Now, also, the crackers have salt on them, okay? So, also, it will give you a little salt with this right here, okay? Unless you want to add your own salt. I don't, okay? So, I just add my crackers. I surely thank you for joining me here. You just don't know. It's a pleasure to come before you and do what I do. I thank you so much for joining me here. Thank you so much. Because you could have went anywhere, but you chose to stop and check up on a girl, okay? To see what she's... Whatever you do, don't forget that wine vinegar, okay? I got to take a picture of this. But thank you so much for joining me here. This was fast and simple. I hope that you try this right here. This is very good, very simple. Make sure you refrigerate it. I guarantee you're going to love it, okay? I guarantee you are going to hear. And God bless you.